2022 Ram 2500 6.4 liter, all decked out in pink. Hit him up if you guys ever need some blacktop or sealing coat or tar and chip, asphalt patching. Let me let you guys hear it before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 92. All right, she's too quiet. Stay tuned, we're gonna make it loud. 2022 Ram 2500 HEMI 6.4 liter beast. I know you guys are not gonna see another one in pink. He's gonna be doing our blacktop. So guys, support him. If you guys need blacktop service, there's his number. Hook him up, tell him Exhaust Addict sent you and he'll give you guys a discount. There it is, check out this beast. And he likes exhaust, so we like him. Let me let you guys see what we have done on this beast. It's got a factory converter there, second converter there. And then what we did is we true dualed it all the way back 2.5, as you guys can see. And then we did custom 2.5-inch tailpipes on each side there and out over and out onto the side there. And then we finished it off with 5-inch rolled tips right there and right there. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for them. There's the part number on it. Our signature 5-inch rolled tips right there, right there. There he is, taking care of blacktop. That's his number. We appreciate him coming on down to us from Colombia. So give him a call if you guys need anything. Here's the muffler that was on it right there. And that's where it widened into the muffler. That's where we cut it off and opened it up all the way. That's the resonator that was on it, and that's the tailpipe. So we cut all that off and true dualed it, because you know, why not? He wanted to be loud so he can be seen. We said, we got you, we'll hook you up. So there you go, that's why we did it. Stay tuned guys, we're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that follow button. That's what a truck should sound like. This is at idle, guys. 96. Woo! That scared me. Wow. Look at that. Here's sound decibels. It hit 122 a little bit ago. That's crazy. I love it. Yeah, 121. Oh, go! We just finished his. All right. That's hilarious. That sounds awesome. Gotta back it out. It's me. How pink that thing is. It definitely catches attention. With the exhaust out, it'll definitely catch attention. Wow. What a beast. I love it. Even at idle you can hear it, like, that's the idle. Who's next? Bring it on, we got you. Wow, what a good sounding truck. Oh, my watch says it. You know what that means. It's loud. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. I never thought I'd like that color on that truck. It looks good. Definitely catches attention, which that's what he was going for. Here we go. HEMI, HEMI. you guys like it.
Several days later.
Alright guys, got a 2022 Ram. He came in a while back. We did True Dual straight pipe and he said it was way too loud. So we put an X pipe and Borla Pro XS dual in, dual out on it. Help tame it, clean it down, probably hopefully around like 40%-ish. But yeah, we're gonna let you guys hear it. I just wanted to show you the difference between the two. So you get factory converters there and factory converter there. And that's where we started the True Duals at. Put the X pipe in there, 2.5 on each side, 2.5 into the Borla. There's also a 2.5 inlet and outlet, dual in, dual out, right there, right there. And the part number on that is 400286, Borla Pro XS. And then the continuation of duals, it's like 2.5 all the way out over the axle and into, I think those are 5-inch roll tips right there and right there. There it is, a whole lot cleaner, hopefully a whole lot quieter. Back right there and right there. But remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better, yeah. Let it idle for a second. All right, sound decibels. Let you guys hear it on the other side. Ram. True Dual X pipe Borla.
Here's sound decibels. Right at 92. All right, she's too quiet. Stay tuned, we're gonna make it loud. That's what a truck should sound like. This is at idle, guys. 96. Woo! That scared me. Wow. Look at that. Here's sound decibels. It hit 122 a little bit ago. That's crazy. I love it. Yeah, 121. That's hilarious. That sounds awesome. Gotta back it out.
Much better, yeah. Let it idle for a second. All right, sound decibels.
like it.
True dual X-pipe Borla.